Good evening, parents, students, and all teachers. Welcome for the first parent-teacher meeting. We are meeting for the first time. FYGC students underwent the admission process and it was conducted very smoothly. Congratulations to all the students who have joined Model College, and I think it is a very wise decision taken by the parents for having admitted their ward in Model College. Well, as you all know that Model College is, we are very particular about the discipline, about the attendance, lectures, the code of conduct, and the activities that we conduct in the college, and so on. Well, right now we have offline and online lectures too for the students, and I must really appreciate the parents and the students for their cooperation because they have been adjusting themselves on alternate days, and of course our teachers have been taking a lot of pains, lot of efforts to conduct these lectures online as well as offline due to this pandemic situation. I know it is a big loss for the students from last 2 to 3 years. They have not been, allowed to come to the campus. When you were in your 10th standard, you were at home all the time, and you did not enjoy your school life. And now that college, you don't have a canteen, you don't have co-curricular activities, but still here at Model College we see to it that keeping all those COVID protocols into consideration, we see to it that we conduct some literary programs for our students, and in the last week of December we are also going to have some co-curricular activities in cultural and also in sports. So we are trying our level best to bring back the students to the original mode. I know it is very difficult for you all because your expectation is more when you come out of your school. You want something more, you want something extra. That what you are not getting over here. But still, from our end, we are trying our level best, and I must really appreciate the parents for supporting us. Well, I'm not scaring you right at the beginning. Let me tell you, we have scheduled our first unit test, which is going to be online. You have got to sit at home and you've got to just attend those paper. Just I think it would require not more than 10 to 15 minutes. It is for the arts and commerce students, which we have kept for on online exams, and the dates are from 20th December to 22nd December. We have 2 papers in one single day, and it would not be a very hectic thing for the students because sitting at home, it is very easy for them to join us online, and the guidelines will be given by your class teachers and your timetable will be displayed accordingly. So get prepared for your first unit test. Whatever is taught in your class, only those questions will be asked. We are not going to tax you, we are not going to penalize you. We have offline exams for science students on these same dates. We have offline only for the reason that we are giving more impetus for the labs and the practicals, because we are more concerned about the practicals, and the science teachers are taking a lot of efforts to get the practicals done from the students. Following the unit test, after your unit test, of course, you'll have your winter break, and you can breathe. You'll have a breathing time, and immediately after that, you'll have the first term examination. The first term is scheduled from 17th January to 22nd January. That is 2022. It is a tentative date, 17/1/21. Sorry, 22 to 22/1/22. So these are the tentative dates. You can just note it down, and then you have the second unit test followed by first terminal, and that would be somewhere in the month of Feb. That is end of Feb, 23rd Feb to 25th. Well, all our second term examinations will be tentative, so you do not have to take any tensions, or you do not have to get panic about it. The final exam for your FYJC will be after your HSC exams. So your class teachers will intimate you accordingly, and your portion will be completed. Everything will be noted, given to you in your WhatsApp group. You can always contact your class teacher, and in case of any difficulty, in case of any problems that you face, You are most welcome to be here in the college. You can meet me at any time, but with prior appointment. So I would like to talk to the parents who come here, and if at all you have any problems, you can always share the problems with us. We are always there to help you out. So once again, let me thank all the teachers who have put a lot of efforts, to manage both online, offline, and the students are so disciplined. I must say that the 11 students are really very disciplined. They are following the COVID protocols, and even in the classroom, they are very much disciplined, because that is what I get the review from the teachers, and I'm very happy about it. So let us hope for the best, and at least I hope next year or in the second half of the year, you could enjoy your college life, your canteen would start, and so many activities would come up. So that, more of the activities, when it comes up, it develops your personality. So we are here to groom our students, so that when you go to your degree college, they should say that yes, you are totally groomed, and you are, well disciplined, well mannered. It's a full package to us. So anyway, thank you so much. Thank you for your patience, and let us meet in the second term once again for the second video. Thank you very much.